friends. Welcome to Adventure Time with Alex and Mia.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting new adventure to discover the secrets of the ocean.
Let's dive in, Mia.
Follow us, friends. Wow, look at that. That's a sea turtle. Did you know they can live up to 100 years?
Yeah, and they eat jellyfish and seaweed. Sea turtles have been around since the time of the dinosaurs.
Hello, Alex and Mia. I'm a sea turtle. My shell helps protect me from predators, and I can hold my breath for hours while I sleep underwater. I've traveled thousands of miles across the ocean currents.
Cool. Look, Alex. It's a clownfish. They live in sea anemones to stay safe from predators.
And they use their bright colors to communicate with each other. They can change their colors to signal different things, like warning of danger or attracting a friend.
Question time, guys. Are you excited? How long can sea turtles live? Up to 50 years, or up to 100 years, or up to 200 years? Yes, you are right, they can live up to 100 years. You know Jonathan, hatched c. 1832, is a Seychelles giant tortoise. His approximate age is estimated to be 191 as of 2024, making him the oldest known living land animal.
Whoa, there it is, a shark. Did you know sharks have been around for over 400 million years? Sharks are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They have sharp teeth and are excellent hunters. But not all sharks are scary. Some, like the whale shark, are gentle giants and only eat plankton.
That's right. And did you know that sharks have special sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini? These help them detect electric fields produced by other animals, which helps them hunt even in the dark. Sharks are incredible creatures, and they're an important part of the ocean ecosystem. They help keep the marine food chain balanced.
Woohoo! Are you ready for another question? What does it mean that sharks are carnivores? They eat plants or they eat meat, or they eat both plants and meat? Excellent! You are so smart! Sharks are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Here's something fun and unique about sharks. Did you know that some sharks can glow in the dark? The swell shark and the lantern shark can light up underwater. This special ability helps them hide from predators and catch their prey in the deep, dark ocean. Isn't that amazing?
Hey, Alex, did you know that the ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface?
Really? That's awesome. And the ocean is home to millions of different species, some we haven't even discovered yet.
Hi, I'm Dr. George, and I'm a marine biologist. Marine biologists study the plants and animals that live in the ocean. We explore underwater habitats, learn about different marine species, and discover how they interact with their environment. Our job is to understand and protect the ocean and its incredible life forms. By studying the ocean, we can help ensure a healthy and vibrant marine ecosystem for the future.
I want to be a marine biologist when I grow up.
Me too. Imagine discovering a new sea creature. That would be amazing. We had so much fun learning with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Bye, friends. See you next time on Adventure Time with Alex and Mia.